Welcome to the Elite League. Today, we master Chapter 9, Building Good Habits Early. Success isn't magic, it's planted. Just like a tiny seed becomes a giant tree, small daily actions create massive wealth. Let's start planning your future today. Win the morning, win the day. Rich kids don't scroll, they control. Hydrate, stretch, and plan your empire before the world even wakes up. Own your morning. Leaders are readers. Every book is a cheat code for life. Download the wisdom of billionaires directly into your brain. Read 20 minutes a day to stay ahead. Your body is your business engine. You can't run a company if you're running on empty. Eat clean and move fast to keep your energy at maximum voltage. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Write it down. When you visualize your target, your brain starts building the path to get there automatically. 1% better every day adds up to a transformation. Don't look for shortcuts. Stack your wins brick by brick until your success touches the sky. Motivation is fleeting, discipline is forever. Do the hard work even when you don't feel like it. That's the secret sauce that separates the dreamers from the achievers. Time is your most expensive currency. Don't spend it, invest it. Swap 1 hour of gaming for 1 hour of creating. Watch your value skyrocket. Pay yourself first. Before you buy toys, put a percentage away. Make saving a reflex, not a choice. Your future self will thank you with compound interest. Your network is your net worth. Make a habit of kindness and connection. Treat everyone like a VIP, and doors will open that walls couldn't stop. Don't complain about problems, fall in love with solving them. A rich mindset sees an obstacle as an opportunity to invent a better way through. An attitude of gratitude changes your altitude. End every day by listing 3 wins. Being thankful rewires your brain to spot more opportunities for success tomorrow. Failure isn't the end, it's feedback. When you stumble, don't quit. Adjust your strategy and try again. Resilience is the muscle that carries the heavy load of success. Cluttered space, cluttered mind. Keep your zone clean and organized. A tidy environment clears the runway for your best ideas to take flight without distraction. Learn the power of no. Say no to distractions so you can say yes to greatness. Laser focus is the superpower that burns through mediocrity. Find a mentor. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Listen to those who have already climbed the mountain. Their map becomes your shortcut to the top. Don't break the chain. Consistency beats intensity every time. Showing up every single day might be boring, but the results are absolutely exciting. Keep the streak alive. Your habits define your identity. You aren't just doing rich things, you are becoming a wealthy thinker. Build the habits today to be the legend of tomorrow. Upgrade your kids' mindset like an entrepreneur. See you in the next level.